Hey, what's up guys, Filter. Today is going to be a very different video today. So today, in honor of the Minecraft movie coming out, and just so you guys know, I'm a big Minecraft fan, and basically today I'm going to be making the Minecraft cake, like the famous cake on Minecraft. I've seen a lot of videos of people doing it, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to make it. And then I thought, you know what, I'm going to film a video about me making it, because why not, right? Like, bro, I've always wanted to try the cake, but I looked at, I know, as you guys know, the recipe is like, you know, freaking like 3 buckets of milk, like whole buckets of milk, and like 1 egg, or like 2 sugars, whatever, and 3 wheats or whatever. I think that, I don't know, I play Minecraft a lot, but I haven't made the cake in a while, you know, so yeah. But I'm gonna change it up, obviously, because it's, you know, it's real life, you know, you can't, like, it's probably not gonna have any taste to it if you don't change up just a little bit, you know what I mean, y'all? So yeah. And also, if you hear my birds chirping in the background, they do that. Yeah, sorry. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go to the store, get some icing, because that's all I need right now. I just need icing, and basically, yeah. Then after that, I'll be set, and I got everything else though. Everything else is good. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the store, get some icing, like, you know, the red and white icing from the game and stuff. So yeah, and I haven't seen the movie yet. By the way, I haven't seen the movie yet. But I heard mixed reviews. Some people say it's good, some people say it's okay, some people say it's really bad. But I haven't seen it yet, so I'm not going to judge before I actually go see it myself, you know? And when I saw the trailer, I thought it was kind of, like, I was a bit worried about it, but I'm not sure how it turned out, so yeah. Anyways, I'm going to head to the store. I'm not going to take y'all with me, because I don't know if the store prohibits recordings and stuff like that, but so yeah, I'll see you guys in a Alright y'all, so I just went to the store, and I got the main frostings. I don't know if it's actually frosting in the game, but well, it has to be. What else would it be? So I got the white frosting because it's mostly white frosting, obviously, and I got the red frosting right here because that's like the little dots or whatever, the square dots. I'm gonna try to make it as accurate as possible as it looks in the game. It's gonna be really hard to do it, but like with the frosting, but you know, the ingredients should be easy, but I think the decorating part will be a little bit tricky, just a little bit, you know, you never know. Anyways, yeah, so anyways, y'all, I don't know, it's gonna be really tricky, but I'm excited to try it. You know, I've never did a baking video before, honestly, because I don't think people would want to see that. But in honor of Minecraft and the movie coming out, even though it might be not the best movie ever, but you know, I'm just doing it because for fun, you know. So yeah, and I'm also promoting the movie in some small way. I'm not sponsoring them or anything, but you know, it's just a fun little thing, you know. Why not? Just why not? You know, y'all. But anyways, y'all, basically, y'all, we're gonna get started. So let's get started. All right, y'all. All right, so this is the oven I'm gonna be using for this. So, yeah. So first we're gonna go bake, and then we're gonna 350. You know, just like every other thing. So yeah, put it on 350. All right, y'all. So I kind of thought about it. So I don't think I'm gonna be going through the full how to make it type thing, but I will 100% leave in the description. I'll leave like a little ingredients thing, like what to do to make it the way I made it. So yeah, don't worry. I'm just not really good at the whole explaining stuff to someone and stuff, you know, like I'm not really good at, you know, showing it, and I don't really have a way to hold the camera like this, because this is a new camera. I don't want to destroy it. I don't want to get flour on it. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the final product though, that's for sure. I'm going to show you guys the final product, and I'm going to show you guys me icing it and stuff like that. So it's going to be really cool, I hope. Yeah, so hope you guys like this, and I'll get back to you guys once we're done baking. Alright, y'all, so I just finished making the whole thing. This is what my kitchen looks like right now. Jeez, I know it's a mess. And also, this is the closest thing I tried finding an outfit that's like similar to Steve, but this is the closest thing I had. So, oh, also, guys, so look at this is what the cake looks like. What's in there? Yeah, it looks kind of chocolatey because I don't know if you guys know, it's been the game. It does look a little bit like chocolate cake, but with like frosting and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm excited to try it. Actually, I tried the batter a little bit, and it was pretty damn good, if I'm saying so myself. So yeah. Anyways, y'all, I'll update you guys once the cake's ready, and then we'll frost it. All right, y'all, look at this. Look at this. So I just finished. It just finished baking. I know it's a little burnt right here, but you know, it's gonna be covered with this stuff anyway. So, and I read somewhere where the little things on top of the red things on top were like berries or whatever, but I don't have any berries, so I'm just gonna use red frosting. You know, that should work. That should work good, right? Like, Come on, David. This should work just as well. So yeah, it looks good. I can't wait to frost it. Alright, y'all. So I just finished frosting it. Alright, so ready, y'all? Here's how it looks. Drum roll. Boom. I know it doesn't. Hold on. I know it doesn't look that great. I know, but I really did try, man. Look at this. The frosting. Aw, man. Yeah, it looks okay, I guess. I tried. I want to see if you guys can do better. I know a lot of other YouTubers have done better. If you guys see here, I tried to copy it off this Google search thing, so yeah, that's probably why. Like, 'cause I tried to do that little thing, but yeah, it worked out okay, I guess. Like, I'm sure it probably tastes good. I'm not gonna try it on camera, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications. Share this video with all your friends and family and stuff. And I know this didn't turn out as great as it looks. I know, but still, I did try. Like it's impossible to get completely like the picture. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Peace. Also, don't forget to go see the Minecraft movie exclusively in movie theaters.